Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro ginigilong ki khubor bamda kasni. Kathiar bukot jungkaseng ka National People's Party NPP keladap na ki kot jingstan. Sudan namar ka jingwan tyrwa sngewbha jonglai ngut ki MLA Kongress katau MLA ka Nongston ba Gabriel Walang MLA ka Mauhati ba Charles Marngar baru MLA ka Umsning Dr. Celestine Ningdo. Ya kiti ki laingut ki MLA Kongress la priang do menteri rangba ka jela Konrad ki sangma ubdeiru national president ke NPP ha ka jingedon lang uba prestun ten song state president umas ngau balang dhar bar ki MLA MDC ha ka janmit skining kong ka digisngi bak mentam ye ke NPP banyo ye ki MLA Kongress ha shwaban sedang ka ying dorbar thawan Kendiat Shapangiti ki MLA Laingut ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC hagas ki thoding kala sosponnya arngut nagine ki MLA hadu rusnem namar ke jingye dan jingye dei bak Sorkar MDA bar ke jingle iki kambalong persya ye ke parti Henry ke MPCC kadang maap yu Dr. Celestine namar ba ulawan sya ke jingye lang balakhot banyakran halor ke ni ke kam Kumbalong mentah ke Kongres ke Dontang Marway MLA ha ke yung darbar thawan ke jela. Ban kiari ke jing syakmat kerteng kum ki MLA ha po ke anti-defection law hadu ar lani lai benta lani nyopo peasant majority ke ke bedon kam kabalong hadu laingut ki MLA. Ke Kongres kala persang ban bar yu Dr. Celestine Lingdok nang ban pen up iki arngut ki MLA ha ke an kentiap seng. Ladaki kentiap seng hendai mark Hongpong. Ke NPP keladon arfu prangut ki MLA ke snem menta pada ke jingwan ye sok segini ki laingut ke jingdon MLA ke ni ke parti ke la kenjo ye ke life wingut ke bala biang pura un number ban sensyar marway ha ke Sorkar
Call to order please. Smart. People's Party, National People's Party. I chose to keep silent. And when I look here, in the first row, 90% are ex-congressmen. Actually, there is nothing new between us here. It is a journey that we all take, and we decide to go right or left when we see the journey to the right is less beneficial to the people who represent. Situation demands that we should take the left road. This is the situation that we three decided to take. It is not that this right side, the road on the right is totally bad or has gone wrong. No, that road is still there. But for the benefit of the people who have elected us to bring changes and development that we also want to show, we have decided to take the road on the left. Kakitin kasi ka on no? Ya inati mi anti, ya inati mi anti. You take any road, but take the road that gives the best benefit to the people. No hatred to anyone. But on a personal level, I appreciate the Honorable President of the National People's Party, the National President, who is also the Chief Minister. It is not easy for us to say, I am leaving my parent party from which I was elected and to join another party. but the good commitment and the faith that we have between the Chief Minister and between us, with the hope that that agreement and commitment that we have will bring changes in our constituency. That paves the way for all things that is happening now. I always dream good for my constituency and always dream of good things for the state. And maybe today, through this government and through the National People's Party, we can make that dream come true. We cannot say that every nook and corner of Meghalaya will become like New York in 5 years' time. No. Development is a journey. But we have to take each step at a time. Problem comes only when you don't take any steps further. That is the problem. So I hope with the combination, the strength of the government that we give by our journey, I think, sir, we are absolute no. Yes. The number is an absolute majority. That number should give confidence to this government. That number should give courage to this government to decide. People may have misunderstanding, but as long as we decide for the good of the people, that courage should see us through this journey. I express my gratitude to all my friends who have come from Umsling constituency. Will take us all along in my constituency, but we will get along. We will integrate both the existing NPP members and the new members that I will be bringing along. We will have a teamwork. So from my side,